That's why you have to get your hand in. Don't take it right down, just enough to get your arm in. Down on the... Oh, there, so you can get your hand straight in. That won't get in there, will it?
A beautiful engine. Been rebuilt.